Lead from the middle, bro. Lead from the middle, did you say? Okay, then sweet, bro. 2, stay in the middle, please. I reckon it's her in the middle. Go and tighter 2. On the right. There, yeah, her. Give it a... Stand by 2. Stand by 2. And start pushing them gently 2. Oh, no, left. Oh, is it? There, 2, cut 2. Boom. Shot, bro. Stand by 4. Stand by 4. 4. Cut 4. Okay, let's push and pull the same. Let's see. Let's have a go. Stand by 3. 3. And go soft 4. 3. Go, no. And mixing 3. There we go. 1 next. Go soft 3. Yeah. And key. Beautiful. Keep going, bro. Keep going. 1. 2, go soft. 2. And mixing 2. Sharp. Yeah. Keep coming out 2. Keep coming out. She's going to go. 3 next. 3. Go soft. Mixing. Yep. On 3. Stand by 1. Oh, yeah. Go soft. Jet bolt. 4 next. 4. And mixing 4. Sharp. Go. Yeah, tairoa. Yeah, again 3. Soft 3. And mixing 3. Yeah, kaumako. Yep, stand by 1. Yeah, bro. And go soft, bro, when you're ready. Yeah, thank you very much. 2 next. 2, go soft 2. And mixing 2. Nice. Yeah. Keep going, bro. Still with you. We're in no rush, bro. Keep going. Keep panning through them, bro. This is how we're going to get through them. Keep going, bro. Okay, 3. That's Heather's daughter. Stand by 3. Keep going, bro. Still with you. Go soft 3. Thank you, 3. Yeah, keep going, bro. Nearly at the end of the line. Keep going, bro. Yeah, there we go. And slow down. Mixing 3. And sharpen up. Thank you. 1 next. Yeah, Heather. And go soft and mixing. Cut 3. Stand by 1. And go soft. Stand by 4 next. Go soft 4. And mixing 4. Sharp. Yeah, 3 next. 3 or next, bro. Let's go, Jazz. And the mother to daughter. This is the daughter and mixing to mum. And 1 next. And go soft. Stand by 2, cut 2, stand by 3, cut 3, stand by 4, cut 4, stand by 1, cut 1.